it's essentially just a strap that's going to go right behind you right here. It's going to traction up. It's going to help to.
So she's going to the bathroom now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
She's no longer constipated. She's eating.
the eating part is still.
Not eating, but she's going to the bathroom now.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're gonna put her hands right here. So her pelvis is blocked up here. We're gonna adjust that. Really easy. There we go. Good. Good job. We're gonna have her come underside this way. Oh, just like this. You did so well last. So well.
Let me know how it feels,
Go.
and I'll kind of just walk out and see. I'll provide small
This
videos.
here. There we go. Little popcorn, huh? Little popcorn. She doesn't know yet. Excuse me.
Just feel that. Sorry.
Yeah. Anywhere specifically, or not so much, just everywhere?
Nice.
Kind of like ground C7.
Right.
Okay. A little bit lower.
Ooh, little popcorn. Okay, I'm just gonna check this here.
Do you feel that traveling into your thoracics at all?
Yeah, so there's a little spasm down here, but still not that like before, huh? Nice.
They're 5-year-old shoes. What do you expect?
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's
Alright.
I've got a pair
Did you
of
want me to do a small press or just
45-year-old
that's for
Nikes
today?
that I could put on tomorrow.
just like you're just gonna do like neck props again.
Yeah, so I'll just be doing this essentially and just providing this impulse that one.
Much
What's the
better.
difference between doing
It's
this?
already relaxing. Good job.
So
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Okay.